How do you deal with missing home?
I think I call my family every day, twice a day, or I try once a day at least. So I keep talking to them, so it really makes me feel that I'm closer to them. And yeah.
Yeah, for me as well. I talk to them every day, and we send pictures and
Yeah.
share experiences.
Yeah, I literally send them 50 pictures and what am I doing? Where am I? So they also feel like they're closer to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Exactly the same. Do you guys remember when you how you were how you dealt with homesickness when you first came? How bad was it?
Oof. I definitely spent a lot of time with
Really?
my flatmates.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And they were all homesick. And
so you all homesick together?
Yeah.
Wow.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
What about you?
It's so weird, but I feel like I didn't get very homesick.
Okay.
Although I'm a little baby, I'm super close to my family. And I thought that I'll get very homesick, I'll cry and I'll do a lot of drama. But it was not that dramatic. I think it was because of my friends. I live in uni accommodation, so it was a great way to meet people, make new friends. So it was just about the friends.
Yeah, I think same.
Yeah.
Sometimes just throw yourself into it and
Yes.
then you almost become too busy to
Yes.
think about homesickness, even if you are. And then
Exactly.
before you know it, it's gone.
And I tried getting involved in other activities so that I'm not really free to think about that, oh my god, I miss my family.
Yeah.
So I try to keep myself busy all the time.
Keeping yourself busy
Yeah.
is definitely a good way to cope with homesickness.